I'd like to give you a few hints on this cells and their environment worksheet for number 5 and number 7. First of all, number 5. Draw an example of a cell in a hypotonic, isotonic, and hypertonic solution. In each diagram, show where the high and low concentration of water is located and where the high and low concentration of solutes are found. Let's look at the hypertonic solution. Hyper is high, so there's more dissolved stuff in the solution than in the cell. So first I'm going to draw a cell. I'm drawing in pencil because I might make changes in just a minute. So the solution is hypertonic. So we have a high amount of dissolved solute. An example of a solute might be salt, sugar, something like that. Then that means the cell has a low amount of solute, low amount of dissolved substance. That means you have higher amounts of water inside the cell and lower amounts of water outside the cell. The water is what moves into and out of the cell. So the water will move out of the cell. So I'm drawing an arrow from the water outside, not from the solute. The solute cannot move in and out. Now, since the water went out, this cell is going to shrivel up. That's why I drew it in pencil, because now the cell has just shriveled because there's not as much water left inside of it. Now you can do the hypotonic and the isotonic solutions. For number 7, the diagram to the right represents a cell in water. The molecules shown can move freely across the membrane, so all of these molecules are able to pass through the cell membrane. Some molecules are shown located inside the cell, and others are in the water outside the cell. Based on the distribution of molecules, tell what would most likely happen to these molecules after a few hours. So we'll start with the carbon dioxide, CO2. Will the carbon dioxide move inside, move outside, or stay the same? Well, let's find out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 molecules of carbon dioxide inside the cell, and 1 molecule of carbon dioxide outside the cell. Therefore, the carbon dioxide will try to equal out, and it will move outside the cell. You'll do the other 3 the same way. If you still have questions, contact me to ask for more help.